That's a nice out-of-the-way spot for a compost pile.
Well, you know, Danny, this compost pile happened just by accident.
Oh, really?
Yeah, one time I had just a lot of leaves and I didn't want to put them all in my compost bin, so I just threw them over here.
Well, it seems perfect and everything. I doubt you'd want to put any of the household waste in there, though.
Well, actually, by choice, I just put nothing but leaves here, and the leaves and then a little bit of dirt that is attached to them. It's amazing what kind of really, really rich loam it's created over the years.
What's the deal with a drainage pipe? You got a drainage problem?
Well, actually, this is a really good tip. You know, one of the main components of making a compost pile healthy is the aeration. And this is just a PVC pipe that I bought at a home store, and as you can see, it has these little perforated holes.
I see.
And those go, there are 2 rows of them, and they go all the way to the length of this wall. And so it allows a little bit more air to come in through this hole that I won't block up.
I see. I guess the wire fence over there helps in that way, too.
Oh, yeah, this is great. And, you know, it was one of those incidental things that I didn't know how good it would be. And this is, so we have cross ventilation here. And, you know, because the pipe is so easy to move, you can see that if I chose to allow the pile to get higher, I could certainly put in another pipe.
Well, you have plenty of room for a little more debris. I'll give you a hand.
Okay.